Is the virtual law firm the future of the Nigerian bar, or is it a professional gamble? For decades, we believed that if a lawyer didn't have a physical address in a high-rise in Ikoyi or a bustling street in Abuja, they weren't real practitioners. But the pandemic broke the mortar, and now the rules of professional conduct 2023 are trying to glue the pieces back together in a digital way. I am Clementina Ukiri, the Dominus Litis, and today we are asking, can you truly practice law from a cloud? Let's talk law. Under the rules of professional conduct, the definition of a law office is evolving. While the rules historically required a physical place for the service of processes, the digital age has forced a rethink. Rule 19 of the RPC now places a heavy burden on technological competence. You cannot claim to be a virtual firm if you cannot guarantee the confidentiality and security of client data in the cloud. The Nigeria Data Protection Act, NDPA 2023, now works hand in hand with the RPC, making you legally liable for data breaches, even if your office is just a MacBook in a coffee shop. Welcome. Today, we discuss the death of the Mahogany desk. The law lives in the mind, not the mortar. The NBA is even moving toward a national law firm directory in 2026 to track where and how I practice. So, while the law allows for flexibility, it demands a digital address that is as secure as any physical vault. Practically, the virtual firm is a godsend for the young solopreneur lawyer. It slashes overhead costs, no more crushing rent at diesel bills for generators. But here's the catch. Rule 14 requires entire devotion to the client. If your virtual setup leads to a missed e-filing deadline because the office has a bad connection, the court won't listen to excuses. Furthermore, the rules of professional conduct now mandate continuing professional development (CPD) hours of undelivered digital platforms like MBA ICLE. If you aren't digitally savvy by 2026, you won't just lose your virtual office. You might lose your stamp and right to appear in court. My verdict? The law is in the mind, not the mortar. If you can deliver justice from a screen, if you can protect a client's secret on an encrypted server, and if you can move a motion via Zoom with the same fire as you would in an open court, the client won't care about your ceiling. But remember, a virtual office is not an excuse for a virtual work ethic. The standards of the bar remain physical, even if our desks do not. Today, are you a virtual practitioner or a mahogany traditionalist? Tell me your experience with virtual hearings in the comments below. And if you're a young lawyer looking to set up digitally, check out the MBA section on business law, SBL, resources on technology. I am Clementina Ukiri Esquire de Dominus Litis. Subscribe on YouTube, follow me on Facebook at Rose Tina Rahamin Pearls, and let's keep the legal opinions flowing. See you in the next one.